Hi, everyone. This is the weather hazard briefing from the National Weather Service office in Pocatello, Idaho for Sunday, March 19th. Got one more mild day for us as far as our weather goes today, and we are going to see more active weather returning to the area than as we go into the new week. Now, you will notice cloud cover increasing throughout the day today, and then we do have a bit of a rain-snow mix chance late tonight into Monday morning, again, as that system starts to arrive. And then that active pattern is going to continue really as we go through the week ahead with kind of a rain snow chance each day. All right, here's a look at satellite this morning. Looking at the western region here, you can see some of those thicker clouds and more of that moisture working its way up from our southwest. Again, that will be arriving on our doorstep as we go through tonight and into early Monday morning. So overall, our Sunday still a relatively mild, warm day, at least compared to the weather we've been having lately. Temperatures for a lot of us, and we'll talk about that in a bit, but more of us will be the more 40s to even some low 50s in a few spots. Again, that rain snow chance will start to increase as we go through tonight and into early Monday morning. And then we basically have a rain snow chance on and off throughout the entire week as we just have more waves of moisture headed our way. We're going to see that mix between precip types because afternoon temperatures, for the most part, will continue to warm to above freezing, and then temperatures overnight will drop to below freezing. So we're going to kind of see that switch back and forth quite often as we go through the week ahead. So over the last couple days, our national forecast showed high pressure and control over the west, and now you can see it's gotten a little bit messier as the high pressure moves out and our next systems start to move in. Very similar story, still looking pretty messy for us as we go into day two. Again, this day one here, this covers all of Sunday into early Monday morning. So again, most of Sunday for us, not too bad. It's the overnight hours that things start to change, and we'll stay with that mix as we go on and off through the week ahead. So high temperatures today, as I mentioned, most of us warm back up into the upper 30s, even farther north up near Ashton and Island Park. Low and mid 40s then as you move a little bit farther south, closer to Idaho Falls and Blackfoot, mid 40s in Pocatello, American Falls area. Upper 40s to even a few low 50s. Burley, you could even hit that 50-degree mark as we get into Sunday afternoon here. Winds will start to pick up a little bit as we go through the day today with some gusts up to about 20, 25, maybe 30 miles per hour, a little bit farther to our west near Twin Falls and Shoshone. As we go through tonight, again, still a little bit breezy in a few spots. At least more of us will see some gusts up to about 20 miles per hour. Again, not particularly windy, but noticeable at times. Temperatures then as we go into Monday morning, for a lot of us, will be falling back down to below freezing, but you'll notice the eastern part of the Magic Valley and the lower Snake Plain, temperatures fall back down not too far from that freezing mark, which is why I'll let this loop here play a couple times. You start to see that moisture work its way into the area for near Burley, starting out as rain, mainly staying as rain, though near Pocatello, Blackfoot, probably see a bit of a rain-snow mix already tonight. Idaho Falls, a little bit more likely to see more snow. What I think this model does lack a little bit is some of the nuance to kind of catch those warmer temperatures as we go through the day on Monday, or at least the warming temperatures compared to where we'll be in the morning. So I think we will see a little bit more of a switch back to rain at times on Monday. So not quite as snowy as this one model potentially is depicting for us. Again, because we're not expecting a ton of snow with this kind of first round, and even with the next round going into early Tuesday morning, you'll see most of us, there's the potential for an inch of snow or more down here at the lower elevations, but about a 40 to 50% chance of that from American Falls to Idaho Falls. Of course, the higher up you go in elevation, the more likely you will be to see some more snow. In fact, when you get to the percent chance of 2 inches of snow or more, really drops down here in the valley locations in the Snake Plain and Magic Valley to about 25% or less. But again, areas like Ashton, Island Park, Montpelier, still you have about a 70 to 80% chance of 2 inches of snow or more. Keep in mind, this is through tonight it's tonight through early Tuesday morning. So this is not just one round of snow, though, that we've got coming our way. We're going to continue this on and off through the week ahead. Mountains, of course, will be the big winners, as a lot of this is very timing dependent and elevation dependent. again, on whether you see more rain versus snow throughout the week ahead. High temperatures Monday afternoon. Some of us going to make it back to low 40s. And winds on Monday will still be gusting at times up to about 20 to 25 miles per hour. Then as we go into Tuesday morning, more of us are going to fall back down below freezing or very close to it through the lower Snake Plain and Magic Valley, while the rest of the area well below freezing. Tuesday afternoon, we continued this trend of warming back closer to about 40 degrees. So again, above freezing in the afternoons, below freezing overnight. We'll continue to see that rain and snow go back and forth through most of the week ahead. So enjoy the last bit of the quiet weather today. Because, of course, that all good things must come to an end. Unless you've been looking for more rain or snow, then your wish will be granted throughout the week ahead. More active weather pattern is going to be continuing then. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, you can always find us on social media. Give us a phone call, send us an email. Of course, we always post the latest forecast information on our website and usually to the socials too. Have a great day.